like to welcome my fans to my new blog. I'm going to start it today on February 23rd, 2012. Well, I just woke up, so I'm really tired today, but I don't really know what I'm going to talk about on this blog, but that's okay. That's what's fun about it, right? I guess I'll talk about my night last night. Well, yesterday was Friday. There was a basketball game I went to. It was okay. I usually don't have fun at those, you know? Sometimes they're just boring. You don't really want to be there. But, yeah. We had some fun. I hung out with some really cool people that sometimes you might not usually hang out with. But it was a good experience, and I hope to do it again sometime soon. So after the basketball game, I went to my friend's house. Jordan, this is a shout out to you. Well, okay. There was some guys there were some girls there. We really had a nice time. We had a nice party. Some would argue that I was possessed, but I was not possessed. I was having the time of my life and expressing my happiness through my body actions. Like, what's wrong with that? I don't know. Please tell me, because I'm getting really frustrated. I don't even know. Okay, well, before I go off on that, I may as well change the subject, okay? Well, I woke up this morning and I couldn't swallow. Like, I still can't swallow, but it's getting a little better. Whoa, gotta get back in the mode. Here we go. Okay, so I woke up, sat up. First of all, I'm like on top of some girl. Like, what is this? So I moved to the floor. And then I tried to take a swallow, like normal human beings do. No, didn't happen. The spit didn't go down my esophagus. Instead, the spit stayed in my throat and it kept building up and up. And then I freaked out. I was in the bathroom talking to myself while my friends were all in the other room. I was like, Kate, come on, don't start crying, because if you start crying, it's just going to get worse. So I didn't cry. I didn't whine. I may have complained a little bit, but it was okay at the end, because I went upstairs, ate a donut. It went down okay after a while. The orange juice was okay. Yeah. I told my mom. She felt my throat, but she said it felt normal, so I guess that's okay. Well, I guess that's it. I could keep going on and on for longer, but I feel like I shouldn't, I don't know. Okay, bye guys. Actually, I think I should make a ritual. I should say something at the end of every blog. What should it be? What should it be? What should it be? Okay guys. Toodaloo toot toot. Smell you later.